Hello friends, today I bring you top 5 best grease gun review. There are many grease gun on the market. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So you do subscribe my channel. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So let's start the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20 VMAX Cordless Grease Gun. DeWalt is one of the most popular brands of heavy-duty tools and appliances out there, making all kinds of tools, including highly powerful grease guns like the one mentioned here. The DeWalt DCG G571M1 grease gun is present in the first position in this article as it is the best performing option present here. With this grease gun, you get an excellent maximum pressure rating of 10,000 psi, which is much higher than other options in this article. Another great thing about this grease gun is that it offers a hose length of 42 inches, much higher than what you will ever need. Since this is a premium grease gun and DeWalt is a reputable brand of power tools, you get a 1-year-long warranty with this grease gun. Number 2. Brave-X Heavy Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun. Brave-X can be another great option to consider if you are in the market for a new grease gun, but do not want a premium option but still want decent performance out of it. This Brave-X heavy-duty grease gun is present in the third position in this article as it offers pretty good performance for the given price. Despite its lower price tag than others, you get a very common pressure rating of 6,000 psi with this grease gun, making it viable for most buyers. As for its flexible hose, it uses an 18 inches long hose so that you can reach all corners of a given machine. This grease gun relies on a 14 ounces grease cartridge for storing a lot of grease at once. While you do get a decent 1-year-long warranty with this grease gun, its build quality could have been certainly better. Number 3. Udol Grease Gun. In comparison with other brands, you might not have heard about Udol in the past, but it can be another great pick if you want an affordable option that still performs well for the price. A Udol grease gun is an entry-level grease gun model that still manages to offer pretty decent performance to the user. You get a maximum pressure rating of 7,000 psi with this grease gun, which is on par with much more expensive options out there. When combined with its given hose length of 18 inches, you can expect this grease gun to be highly useful for most cases. It also comes with a total of 5 extensions, coupler, and other nozzle accessories. Since it is an affordable grease gun, it comes with a slightly shorter 6-month-long warranty, which is to be expected. Number 4. Steinbruch High Performance Pistol Grip Grease Gun. As you can most likely tell by its name, Steinbruch is a German brand of power tools known for offering highly versatile tools like its grease gun present here in this article. Steinbruch's grease gun can be a great pick if you want a high-performance option with a long hose length. Just like many other options available out there, the maximum pressure output of this grease gun is rated at a decent 6,000 psi. But the best thing about this grease gun is that you get a 27 inches long flexible hose with it, which is much longer than most other options out there. With this grease gun, you also get a decent build quality as well as a 1-year-long warranty. Number 5. Rickspetty Grease Gun. Even though there are many grease guns out there that offer high performance, there are not many reliable options out there, which is where Rickspetty and its offerings come into play. This Rickspetty grease gun is the most durable and reliable option present in this article. Apart from being highly reliable, this grease gun also offers a decent pressure rating of 6,000 psi to the user. Just like most other options out there, this one also offers an 18 inches long flexible hose. Although this hose is not as flexible as other options out there. The best thing about this grease gun is that not only do you get an excellent build quality with it, but it even offers a lifetime warranty, which is much better than others. I make daily helpful products videos, so you do subscribe my channel. If you need more products information or if you want to know product price, do check out description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thank you watching my video.